To use Lloyd's Odeon vouchers. Start by understanding what they are and how you can obtain them. Lloyd's Odeon vouchers are rewards provided to Lloyd's Bank customers as part of their loyalty program. These vouchers can be used to purchase cinema tickets at Odeon cinemas across the UK. First, check if you have any available vouchers in your Lloyd's account. You can do this by logging into your online banking or mobile banking app. Look for the rewards section and see if you have any Odeon vouchers waiting to be redeemed. Once you have confirmed that you have vouchers, choose a film and a cinema. You can browse the Odeon website or use their mobile app to find a movie and a showing time that suits you. Make sure to check the voucher terms and conditions to see if there are any restrictions on which films or showtimes you can use your vouchers for. Next, go to the Odeon website or open their mobile app and select the film and cinema you want to book. Proceed to the booking page and enter your voucher code when prompted. The voucher code can usually be found in your Lloyd's account or in an email sent to you by Lloyd's. After entering the voucher code, you will be taken to the payment page. If your voucher covers the full cost of the ticket, you will not need to enter any payment details. However, if your voucher only covers part of the cost, you will need to pay the remaining balance using a credit or debit card. Finally, confirm your booking and print or download your ticket. You can also have your ticket sent to your mobile device. Make sure to arrive at the cinema with plenty of time to spare before the film starts. And enjoy your movie. It is also a good idea to read the terms and conditions of your voucher carefully, as some vouchers may have restrictions or blackout dates. Additionally, be aware that vouchers can only be used for standard ticket prices and may not be valid for premium formats or special events. By following these steps, you can easily use your Lloyd's Odeon vouchers to enjoy a night out at the cinema. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your voucher and to book your tickets in advance to avoid disappointment.